Your questions are destroying your life. Every day you ask yourself why this always happens to you, why you are so unlucky, when things will get easier. Your brain finds answers to these weak questions, and weak questions create weak answers. The strong ask different questions. How can I solve this problem? What can I learn from this pain? How do I become harder through this struggle? Instead of why am I tired, ask how do I build more energy? Instead of why do people not respect me, ask how do I become more respectable? Your internal dialogue shapes your reality. Complaints make you a victim. Curiosity makes you a warrior. Marcus Aurelius did not ask why Rome was difficult to lead. He asked how he could become worthy of leading Rome. Philosophers throughout history understood this truth. The quality of your questions determines the quality of your existence. Change your questions. Change your life. That's the marble mindset.